Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. So you've got your menu here. You've got home, so you've got phone and settings. If we click on settings, there you go, that brings up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, smartphone and phone. Now I'm going to go into Bluetooth, see what happens there. Bluetooth on and off status is on, Bluetooth device list. Now I'm assuming that's where it's going to be, Bluetooth device list, and there we go, there's my phone listed. And you've got connect to music and phone, connect to phone, just connect to music or delete. I want to delete. I don't think I must have pressed that properly. Do you want to delete this device, Barry's iPhone? Yes. Barry's iPhone's been deleted.